Hello, I'm here from a place that everybody have in their houses, sharing from the laundry, one of the products that I create to do my own laundry detergent. So I want to share that with you today. I have a couple of the ingredients here to share with you the recipe. I use pure baking soda, washing baking soda, borax, which is a booster, and citric acid, everything natural. And beside that, my favorites, essential oils from John Living, and some silica to protect and make to preserve a little bit the mix inside. So we are needing laundry detergent glass jar to keep it in there, so I'll get it in a moment. And I want to share with you how I prepare my laundry detergent. So we're gonna get 4 cups of the baking soda washer, and we are getting another 4 cups. I got it in here, of the borax, the citric acid, 1 cup for the amount of mix that I have in here, and I'm going to do half of a cup of baking soda. So it's very easy. When we have all the ingredients together, it's super easy to mix. We actually can mix it with the hands, or if you don't want to get in contact with it, just use a wood spoon. It's not a problem for me, so I can just come in here and start getting my ingredients mixed. So it's super easy. Just for your knowledge, we have most of our days contacting the clothes that we wear. So our skin is the biggest sense absorbing chemicals in the body. So because we transpire and we have our pores open, it's super easy to get in contact to any chemicals that we have after washing our clothing. Let me just keep moving this, and I keep talking to you in a second. So now we are adding here our essential oil. I have citrus fresh from John Living. Amount of the drops that you want to put in there, it will depend on the amount of smell that you want. Some people is more conservative put in there. I'm very generous. I like my clothes to smell fresh, so I'm gonna keep adding whatever is left in my bottle. Let me just open this, and it's done. Lemon, and I'm gonna add some, and I'm going to mix some. So let's just keep these little drops, because it's oil, get concentrated in your mix. So you just move them around, as what is gonna give this wonderful smell to your detergent, and keep adding more. This is another one, it's gonna go soon, so I don't mind to put all of it in there. I love the smell of freshing lemon in my clothes. So keep mixing. So be aware of what you wear. How is it that the chemicals get into your body? If you want to, or you choose to live a different lifestyle with non-toxic products, this is not that hard to do. We can choose one bottle at a time. We can change just the laundry detergent at first and slowly keep changing other products at home. All my bottle is there. And then I'm adding some purification, which is one of these oils that you never get tired to smell. So plenty of oil in here to give my laundry detergent that outcome that I want. So after you mix it, it's quick, easy, and cheap. This lasts longer than the regular detergent that you use and is actually better for your body. I'm a cancer survivor myself, so I really pay attention what I put on my body, from makeup to laundry detergent, so you can tell, shampoos or anything else. Okay, super easy. I'm going to get my jar and add some of the silica in here. And just make sure that I can hold it safe. So how many of this silica we can put inside? It's gonna depend on the amount of you have, but I usually go half and I put some other stuff, 2 more boxes or 3 little bags in there. Not boxes, bags. And here it is. Easy, clean, safe, and sealed. And you can make your own sticker to put it in your jars. So that's another fun thing to do. If you want more information, you can go to the website www.sohamessentialliving.com and get more information. Thank you for watching.